Hello everyone, this is Evan from Airkey. Today is the opening of China International Battery Fair. As an exhibitor, we are here to introduce this modular cleanroom to you. This cleanroom is mainly used in lithium battery, semiconductor, and other electronic industries. And it is built with 3mm thick, high-strength 6063 aluminum profiles, which are seamless and have no exposed screws and connector, avoiding dust accumulation. And the walls are made of anti-static acrylic panel, which can present crystal clear and bright exterior, and also provide a steady freak and safe working environment. And here's the control panel of this cleanroom. This intelligent control system can monitor the temperature, humidity, and also the pressure, and can also control the air velocity of each FFU separately to lower the power consumption. And in addition, in case of any failures, this system can also give an announce to position the problems for a quick repair and maintenance. Now let's go and move into the cleanroom. We are now inside the cleanroom. On the ceiling, you can see there are some FFU with high volume EC fan motor, ensuring a highly efficient air purification. And beside the FFU, there are some LED embedded strip lights with UL listed. And in the bottom of this cleanroom, it is equipped with Airkey's diffuser plates. And it is slightly designed for easy open. And it's building pre-filter, which can extend the service life of HEPA filter. And uniformly distributed perforation ensure even dispersion of clean air. And there are some cleaning equipment which is produced by Airkey. And we will upload some videos to introduce them. Please keep following us. Airkey can also provide various stop options for our customer. For example, this is the manual swing door, which is the most common choice for a cleanroom. And this is the automatic sliding door for movement of big equipment and machines. And this is the fast rolling door for quick transfer of large materials. And this is the emergency door for easy evacuation during emergency. Airkey's modular cleanroom are 100% prefabricated in our factory. No on-site processing is required with zero waste. After installation, the on-site cleaning is very convenient and fast.